Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's for a Living here, and thanks for watching my videos. And today I'm going to be making some Ambrosia salad, and this is just a variation that I do. Sometimes I have the same ingredients, sometimes I have different ingredients, but for the most part it's pretty similar to this, and of course, you know, use what you have, right? Alright, so to me the base of Ambrosia is the mandarin oranges. So I've got 2 cans here and I've drained them off the liquid, and I've got a can of crushed pineapple today. Sometimes I use the chunk pineapple. You can use tidbits, that's probably the best. It's like, you know, smaller sizes. So and I'm just gonna, and I drained that, I pushed it down in there to really get most of the liquid off of that there. I don't want it to be soggy. And I've got like a cup and a half of grapes that I cut in half, and these particular ones said seedless, and when I cut them in half they had seeds in them, so I had to pull the seeds out. You don't want seeds in there, that's for sure. Sweetened condensed coconut is another. The grapes, those are kind of optional, and I don't always have them. Sweetened condensed coconut, that flakes, that's pretty standard. I have one that's already open, so I'm just going to dump that in there. So put about a cup in there. I'm going to add some craisins, so maybe about, and I don't always put craisins in there, but I want to, maybe like a half a cup of craisins, and mini marshmallows, another staple of making ambrosia. So I'm going to put maybe a cup of them, and yeah. So, and you can see I don't always measure. If I'm baking bread, I measure. Okay, so I have that, and then I've got some Greek yogurt. Now, I have made this with sour cream, and I think sour cream is a pretty standard thing, and also, what do I say? Cool Whip. A lot of people use Cool Whip, but I don't want to eat the Cool Whip, and Greek yogurt is, or you don't have to use Greek yogurt, you know, any kind of, you know, plain yogurt, and I think it's a little healthier option. Yeah, and I think some people mix, do a combo, a half sour cream, half Cool Whip, so whatever you have, whatever you like. I have used flavored yogurts, so, you know, like ones that have strawberry or blueberry in them. You could use one that has vanilla in it, and that's fine. It just adds another layer to the flavors you got going on. And in fact, I think this could take blueberries, if you wanted to put blueberries in it. If you wanted to dice up some apples, you could do that as well. So yeah, basically that's it. And I do like to make this a little bit ahead of time, but certainly not the day ahead. It can get soggy, especially if you don't drain your fruit off. And but usually, like when I make this, you know, for myself, I usually just use like maybe 1 can of oranges. I don't make it this much, but I am sharing this today, and because it isn't something that you want sitting around a long time, I guess is what I want to say. So all right, and yeah, just chill it in the refrigerator and serve it cold. There it is. Thanks for watching.